Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we're starting off on the weekly chart, and you can see we ended up with quite a large pin bar on the weekly. I had the high of the weekend, just 26,520, and that is a line in the sand. We'd need a weekly close above that to validate this pin bar. And then what we can expect is pretty much a 1,400 point move to the upside. Okay, let's just get down to what's going on at the moment. If we look at the daily, this is a pullback, and remember V reversals are rare, and this at this stage is a V reversal. I'd expect a second attempt, or either at the 200 moving averages or back at the bottom here, before I'm entirely convinced that we have a change in direction. This could just be volatility, and what we're going to expect is another move to the downside. So the fact that Friday ended up with a hanging man inside bar, that is a bearish signal. This inside bar is a bullish signal. So in other words, confusion still reigns, and the volatility I think you can expect to continue. So we've rallied a bit. If you look at the 3 hour, we are above the moving averages, and we've sort of hovering around this area again. Now, you can't really see much there, but I think the hour is where give you a fairly good picture. So you can see the 200 EMA, the purple line, is pretty much holding up price at the moment. So what we're looking for is a break above this area of 26,400, and then we should see at least the previous weekly high of 26,520 be tagged. Okay, I think for today, probably going to keep my money in my pocket. I suspect the sideways motion is going to continue in typical Monday fashion, and we're not really going to get anything. But that is a line in the sand. Line in the sand to the bottom is pretty much the low of today currently. But we do have that level as well. If you look to the left, this is probably a more significant level. So a break below 26,107 is going to validate a continuation to the downside. Last thing to look at here is we do have a diagonal trend line here, which has broken. There it is there. We had 3 touches. We broke it. We haven't really tested it, but this is not looking very rosy. And if you look at the moving averages, I do suspect another move to the downside. Sorry, not the moving averages, but the oscillators here. Moving averages have crossed over. Trend is slightly to the upside, although Friday was a range day. And when Friday's a range day, what you're looking for is the high of Friday and the low of Friday. Those are the levels you want to break. Okay. So until I see a break of those levels and a retest of them, I think I will stay out of this market. So pretty much a slow Monday for me today. Anyway, that's my view at the moment. Hope it helps you, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.